Good morning, dear children. After your second subjective assessment, we all are here again for our normal classes. Children, hope you all did your exams well. In today's class, I have taken a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Halves and Quarters. Children, in this lesson, you will know about fraction and its type. So let us start. Children, here you can see this is a big watermelon, and this watermelon is divided in two equal parts. So this each part of the watermelon is known as half. Okay, and half stands for out of two, one part. Okay, so each part is half. And if you divide this watermelon in four equal parts, means out of four, one part is there. So each part has a fraction 1/4, or you can say 1/4. Children, this fraction number is represented as numerator and denominator. The upper part of the fraction is known as numerator, and the lower part of the fraction is known as denominator. Numerator indicates the parts, and the denominator indicates the total parts in a whole. And these numerator and denominator are separated by fraction bar, or you can say division line, right? Here in this example you can see this figure is divided in 5 equal parts. Okay, and 3 parts are colored, so the fraction will be 3/5. Okay, 3/5 is a fraction for colored part, and for the shaded part the fraction will be unshaded part, the fraction will be 2/5. Children, hope you all have understood. The upper part indicates the total number of parts that are unshaded. 2 parts are unshaded, so 2 is upper number. Okay, and here you can see 3 parts are shaded or colored, so 3 will be the numerator here, right? Now let us know children, this I have told you, top one is numerator and the bottom number will be the denominator. Numerator is a part and the denominator will be the total number of parts, right? Now let us see types of fraction. Children, there are different types of fraction: proper fractions and improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions, unit fractions and a whole fraction, and equivalent fraction. Now let us know about them in detail. First one is proper fraction. Children, in proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Here you can see 3 is smaller than 8. 3 is a numerator. So, in proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than denominator, and the examples are 3/8, 7/9, 2/5, 6/11, and so on. Okay, and in improper fraction, the numerator is larger than the denominator. Here in this example, you can see the numerator is bigger than the denominator. 7 by 5 and 9 by 2 are improper fraction. Third type of fraction is equivalent fraction. Children, equivalent fractions are those which are written with different numerator and denominator pair, but the result is same. Here you can see in this example, this all fractions are equivalent fractions, but they are represented in different ways. Here you can see this circle is divided in two equal parts, so the fraction is 1 by 2. Now here this circle is divided in 4 equal parts, but 2 parts are colored, so the fraction is 2 by 4. In third figure, the figure is divided in 6 equal parts, and out of 6 you can see 3 parts are colored, so the fraction is 3 by 6. And in fourth figure, the figure is divided in 8 equal parts, and out of 8 equal parts 4 parts are colored, so the fraction is 4 by 8. Here you can see 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 are represented in different manner, but the results are same. So this type of fraction are known as equivalent fraction. Okay. Now next one is mixed fraction. When a fraction is composed of a whole number and a fractional number. Here 3 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fractional number. Children, here you can see this is one whole lemon, and if I'll take this part, so then the watermelon will be one whole 1 by 4. So this is a mixed fraction. One whole watermelon and 1 by 4 part of a watermelon. Now next one is like fraction. Like fractions are the fractions that have same denominator. Here 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 are example of like fractions. Okay, and unlike fractions that have different denominators, right? And children, next one is unit fraction. In unit fraction, you can see numerator is 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, all are unit fraction because numerator is 1. And children, in whole fraction, the denominator is always 1. 5 by 1, 8 by 1, 3 by 1. These all are known as whole fraction. 5 by 1 means 5 whole, right? Children, hope you all have understood the fraction and different types of fractions. So please learn about the types of fractions with the example. Children, you also do all the exercise in your fair copy. Thank you and have a good day.